Hello and welcome to ScamWatch, your current source of news, information and tips, highlighting the scams and frauds impacting seniors, families, consumers and businesses on Vancouver Island. I'm Rosalind Scott, President and CEO of the Vancouver Island Better Business Bureau.
And I'm Constable Mike Russell of the Victoria Police Department. Today we're going to talk about credit repair scams. Credit repair scams are when people who have poor credit or high credit card debt are encouraged to pay for a service that will reduce the amount of payments on that debt. Now you have to remember there are many legitimate businesses that do help people who have debt problems, but this is an industry rife with problems.
At the Better Business Bureau, we've been receiving numerous reports about credit repair companies. Some people are being approached by an automated phone message, which may sound like this. If you have over $10,000 in credit card or other debt, stay on the line, we can help. Or another message may be, do you have problems with your credit? Bad credit? No credit? No problem, we can help. And of course, there's thousands of companies offering this kind of service on the internet. Well, we know that in times of economic challenges, people are desperate to solve their debt problems, and they're looking for an easy solution. So most of the inquiries that we get at the Better Business Bureau are wanting to know if these companies are legitimate or scam artists. And unfortunately, most of the complaints that we get is around the failure to provide the services offered.
Now, how can you identify a credit repair scam? Well, these scams can include people asking for payment up front for services rendered. They can also talk about very vague or very convoluted ways to fix your credit. And lastly, and where the police get involved, is where illegal activity is promised, either erasing blemishes on your credit record, getting a new social insurance number, or piggybacking on somebody else's credit report.
The truth is, nobody can legitimately remove timely and accurate negative information from your credit report. And getting a new social insurance number is very difficult. And as Mike said, piggybacking on somebody else's credit can be construed as loan fraud. Reality is, improving your credit score and reducing your credit card debt simply takes time. There's no instant solution that you can pay for. And while there are legitimate companies providing counseling who can work with creditors and the credit bureau on your behalf, there is nothing that they can do for you that you cannot do for yourself for free or for very little cost.
Now, credit bureaus receive a massive amount of information every day, and errors and omissions can occur. In Canada, there are two credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. Both keep separate credit reports on you. Now, by law, you can request a review of your credit report if you find something suspicious on there. But remember, the only people that can erase bad or negative information on your credit report are the lender or TransUnion or Equifax. All a third-party agency can do is help to advocate on your behalf for your credit report with TransUnion or Equifax.
As we've said, Mike, only time can resolve derogatory credit even after the debt is paid off. Because the truth is, it all stays on file for at least 7 years. So what can you do right now to help? Well, you don't want to hear it, but cut up your credit cards and don't take out any more loans until your debt is cleared away. We also recommend that you look at your credit report at least once a year to see if there's any information on there that's inaccurate, and then you can let the credit bureau and the creditor know.
Now, before applying for a loan or a credit card, it's important that you get a copy of your credit report. This report will let you see if there's any issues on there that may affect you getting that loan. It is free for you to request a copy and free for you to review it, but every time a lender does, it does affect your credit rating.
If you do decide to use a credit repair company of some kind, do your research first to make sure the company is legitimate. Make sure you comparison shop to see what differing prices are out there and what different services are being provided. And make sure you check the Better Business Bureau Business Review. This will give you some information on the company, it'll tell you whether they're accredited with the Better Business Bureau, and it'll show you if they have any significant complaint history.
If you do hire a credit repair service, make sure you get a detailed contract from them. This includes contact information and details of exactly what they'll help with. If you're looking for debt consolidation, it's best to contact your bank or the lender. They'll be able to help you with interest rates and consolidating the debt that you have in order to pay it off better. The Government of Canada does have a very detailed website that will help you. It's called Taking Charge of Your Debt. This is there to help Canadians look after their debt load.
So how can the Better Business Bureau help? Well, essentially, we're the most help before you actually hire the company. As I said before, you can check out the business review at vi.bbb.org and see if there's any information there that you need to know. You can call us in person or come in and discuss the different things that you need to consider and the other resources that might be available to you. And then if you do decide to use a company and you're unhappy with the services provided, we can help you file a formal complaint. But you do have to know that if it is a scam, we are very limited in what we can do. All we can do is collect the information on what's happened to you, report it to other people so perhaps it does not happen to them, but we're not a law enforcement agency. We cannot actually stop a scam.
Now, if a local credit repair company is doing something illegal, that's when the police can become involved.
The best way to protect yourself is to stay informed, use your common sense, and if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is.
Now, for more information on scams, frauds, or other things impacting your region, you can get a hold of the Better Business Bureau Vancouver Island through their website, as well as VicPD.
And if there's a scam or a fraud or a story that you'd like to see on ScamWatch, please send us the information to info@bbb.org.